In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Google Console for integrating Google Sheets with Bitform. If you don't have any client ID and client secret, you have to create a client ID and client secret. To create a Google Client ID and client secret, you have to go to your Google Developer Console. Link in the description below. In the console dashboard, if you don't have any projects, you have to create projects. From here you can create projects. Now go to Console Dashboard and you have to enable Google Sheets API and Google Drive API. From here, you can search Google Sheets API and Google Drive API, and you have to enable those API. After complete this step, navigate to OAuth consent screen. If you have already created application under OAuth consent screen, or you have to create an application. Now edit the application in the app name field and user support email field, put the value of your preference. Now add a top private domain because it does not allow subdomain. In email address field, put the value of your preferences. Now click on Save and Continue button. In Scopes tab you have to add Google Sheets API and Google Drive API. After complete this step, navigate to Credentials and create a credentials for integration. Now click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Then select application type, which is Web Application, and give a client name as your preference. In the Authorized JavaScript Origins section, click on Add URI button. Now go to the Bitform dashboards and copy the homepage URL. And paste the homepage URL into URIs field. Then Authorized Redirect URL section, click on the Add URL button. Now go to the Bitform dashboards and copy the Authorized Redirect URI. And paste the Authorized Redirect URI into URI field. After paste to URI, then click the Create button. Thanks for watching our video.